From this to this in about 2 minutes. I am absolutely obsessed with this 24 pack of artificial flowers I was sent from DeRose to review. So let me show you a closer look. Here is just one branch. You'll see it's got about 7 stems with flowers and leaves on each one, and then there's 24 of these. You've got in different colors, so they are not pre-mixed. They are separated by color, which is really nice because then you can decorate yourself. You could have one color, you could mix 2 colors, you can mix them all. Very flexible because of how they do it. Basically, we have some white, purple, hot pink, my favorite color, lighter pink, although it is kind of like both. It kind of fades with hot pink on the outside and then lighter pink inside. And then we have like more of a fuchsia, like a purple pink. And we also have a yellow. Here you can see them all sorted out by color. Fuchsia, light pink, hot pink, purple, yellow, white. Gorgeous. You can pull these apart to like angle them in different directions a little bit. They're not wire, they're just plastic, but you can stretch them out and then pull them back together if you want. And from a distance, honestly, they do look real. They're really nice looking and pretty durable. I only have a few petals that have fallen off through the unboxing process, but 99.9% of them are holding firm and just gorgeous. So now we are going to create a display. Oh my gosh, in literally 2 minutes, I've got this gorgeous display of flowers on my porch now that I don't have to water and I don't have to prune or weed or anything. Oh my gosh, guys. And I still have these left to put in another planter. I'm obsessed. If you're like me and you do not have a green thumb, I have a black thumb, literally. I just can't do gardening at all. So if you're like me, but you love flowers, this is the way to go. Inside, outside, oh my gosh. I love these and I know you will too.